Hey, what's up, Hedera holder? This is live price prediction of Hedera. Today video is gonna very brand. You know why? Because Hedera is gone up, but sometime they goes down, and this is why. What's a big reason to Hedera going down in the last days? This is one reason I explained today. But before I get started this brand video, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel, because subscribe is very important. You know why? Subscribe. If you get subscribed, then I updating you every hour, every single day, any good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. Therefore, they notify you. Subscribe is notify you to please watch this video. This is very good for you. So let's get started a brand video. Don't forget to subscribe and like video. Okay guys, so let's see first of all the last 1 hour result of a Hedera Hashgraph. You know, the big reason of that they goes down as one, but this time you can see here they start again jumping. Absolutely, this is good for me. This is good for holder of all hover, because I am also holder of Hedera Hashgraph. Therefore I am very excited, I am very happy, and this is very terrible result. Absolutely, you can see here 0.062% as the last 1 hour chain. Absolutely, this is good chain. You can see here the price of one Hedera Hashgraph coin as $0.3385 as the price of latest. This is latest price of Hedera Hashgraph. So this is absolutely gone good. This is absolutely good news for Hedera Hashgraph. Let's check out the last 1 day result. I hope the last 1 day result absolutely gone up. The last 1 day result you can see here absolutely very bad. I know the last 1 day result as bad, but I gotta show you. Look at see here. The price is absolutely same like a 1 hour, but the chant is minus 1.6%. Absolutely, this is bad, because this is the start of month. This is one result. This is start of month. Therefore, everyone can sell it. No one can hold it. Therefore, the price is going down. If you can hold it, I hope they can go like a rocket. Absolutely good. So this is absolutely good news for Hedera Hashgraph. Today can start again growing, and a few days they can easily cross $1. What you say? Can they can cross $1? What you say? Please, your opinion is absolutely very important. Please share it in a comment box, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest update. This is absolutely a very bad news. You can see here the price is going down, but this is the start of month. I hope at the end of month the price is changed. They can give us a very good chance. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.